Later in the course, we will need to randomize data points in lists with data points, and that's when we'll be able to use Python's built-in range function. It can help us by creating a list of numbers. The syntax of the function is the following. Type range and in parentheses, mark a start, stop, and step value. The start value will be the first number in the list. The stop value will be greater than the last value in the list. It is going to be equal to the last number plus 1. Just classical Pythonic logic, right? The so-called step value represents the distance between each two consecutive values on the list. The stop value is a required input, while the start and step values are optional. If not provided, the start value will be automatically replaced with a 0, and the step value would be assumed to be equal to 1. You could also remember the stop value as most important, the start value as less important, and the step value as least important. For this reason, range of 10 will provide a list of 10 elements, starting from 0 implied after not indicating a start value and ending at the 10th consecutive number, number 9. In another cell, if in the range function we declare as arguments 3 and 7, for instance, Python will accept 3 as a start value and 7 as a stop value of the range. So we'll have 4 elements, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. To specify a step value in a range, the other two arguments must be chosen as well. In this situation, I'll obtain a list with all the odd numbers from 1 to 19 included. I will start with the number 1, and the list will end with number 19, which equals the stop value 20 minus 1, stating only the odd numbers. This is how we can create lists with Python's range function. In our next lecture, we'll see how it can be applied in practice. Thanks for watching.